there. Hoping that you are keeping yourselves safe and sound. Stay home, stay safe. By the way, are you getting really interested in these phonetics classes? Haven't we covered pretty much with those 44 phonemes? Among those, we did cover some consonant sounds and symbols. Everyone has those notes written every time? Please take them out. And we did cover bilabia, yes. What are those sounds and symbols? P, voiceless, b, v, m, voiced. Next one was the alveolar, t, voiceless, d, voiced. Then was palatoalveolar. It was voiceless, j, voiced. Next class we had a velar. Two were taken, k, voiceless, g, voiced. Next one, labiodental. By the way, the first class itself, I said some of these main articulators for the correct pronunciation of these phonetics symbols. What are they? Lips. Then tongue, teeth and a mouth. Okay, so those are the main ones we have to use properly for the correct pronunciation of these sounds and symbols. Clear? Okay, so labiodental, then dental. It is slightly different, not exactly as the letters of alphabet. It's a voiceless, the voice. Next one we had this alveolar again. You know the last letter of the alphabet? Z. It is voiced. Okay, voiced. Alveolar. Then we covered a voiced again, but the letter S whenever it has either vowels or vowel sounds. Then we covered a S letter voiced whenever it comes as a verb. Voiced. So those 7 sections were over by last class. Today we will have a voiceless sibilant with which letter? S again. Okay, please have enough practice for you so that you won't get confused. Okay, confused is a verb. Don't make it a confused whenever you pronounce either voiceless or a voice. Confuse. So it is a what? Voiced. So today we will be covering voiceless alveolar. Okay, S letter itself. It is like a hissing sound. You know, snake makes that hissing sound. It is alveolar. How do we pronounce that with the correct articulators? Yeah, tip of the tongue against the teeth ridge. Here it is the voiceless alveolar. Voiceless alveolar sibilant. That means we don't use our vocal cords to produce that certain sound. No vibration with the vocal cords. So it is voiceless. Voiceless. It has to have some voice, but it's not voiced just like the other examples we have covered so far. Is that clear? So, sibilant, alveolar, voiceless, alveolar sibilant with the S letter. So, tip or blade of the tongue placed closer to the roof of the mouth, and the air pushed through the teeth over the tongue. Clear? The air. So you hear that hissing sound, snake. makes that a hissing sound. Everyone say so easy. S. Voiceless. Everyone please say that. Voiceless. Alveolar. Sibilant. Okay? Sibilant. Clear? Good enough? Yes. S. Example. School. Everyone loves to come to school, don't you? Huh? Yes. So, school. Then, another one will be, maybe you might have seen it. You have heard the word, haven't you? Slate. Slate is the word, is the thing that we used to be, your mama, papa, your, papa's age, that we used to practice writing on a slate instead of notebook. So we can erase after. We can reuse. It is reusable. Okay? Slate. So it is again school, slate. Next one. The girls wear skirt. The girls wear skirt. Oh, my skin is itchy. Whenever we play too much out there, all the dust gets on our skin. We might feel itchy. There are many other reasons for itchiness, but here itchy. Okay, skin. Now you love snow. How many of you have had chances already to see actual snow? Not on movies. Snow. Okay, again snow. Skateboard, skating on snow. Skateboard. So skateboard. Many words. Okay. So related with that, give me another one. Skiing. Skateboard. Snow. Okay. Skiing on the mountain. Yes. Skating on snow. Another one will be sleigh. Did you hear that word? How many of you have heard that word sleigh? Especially during Christmas. Santa Claus. Sleigh. Do you remember that song? Santa Claus. Sleigh means it's a wooden sledge drawn by horses or reindeer. Santa Claus riding on sleigh. Heard that? Which song is that? It's so famous. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. What's the spelling? S-L-E-I-G-H. Yes, that G and H somewhat is silent there. Okay, sleigh. S-L-E-I-G-H. Sleigh. And so it is riding on sleigh. Okay, Santa Claus is coming to town. You heard that, no? So it is a sleigh. And another one is what can be? Many of you love to sleep. I think now you all are getting enough chances to have sleep, good sleep. You heard, or did you ever hear your papa or mama, or you might be, snoring in the sleep, snoring, making that sound. It's very irritating and it's disturbing for us if we need a good sleep. No, so sleep, snoring, sleigh, skateboard. Some fruits. At least one give me. It's reddish color. Small one. Strawberry. Yes, strawberry also can be S letter. First here there are many other examples. Here we are covering only with the first letter S. strawberry. Okay, spinach. Spinach. You know that a veggie, it is very healthy. How many of you love spinach? Greenish color spinach.
Brownish too.
Okay, very good. Okay, you have to. And spoon. Many of us eat with spoon instead of our hands. So give me all those words. Alveolar, voiceless, sibilant. Tip of the tongue against the teeth ridge, but here the air passes through the
Teeth.
Okay, over the tongue. Clear? So, give me, let's cover this. School. Give me, next to that what I said, we used to write on slate. Very good, you remember. Another one, girls wear skirt. Skin. Snow. You said skateboard. Very good. Now, skate. Skateboard. Skiing. Sleigh. Yes. Okay. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Sleigh. Okay. Sleigh. That wooden sledge drawn by reindeer or horses. You have seen those pictures now that Santa Claus is coming to the town. Okay. So on a sleigh. Then another one, that veggie, spinach, fruit, strawberry, spoon. Okay, so you know many of those words already. So let's have fun. Okay, practice every time. I am asking you to have more practice at home to listen to some of those videos as you might like. Okay, so and when we meet together in school, I will be covering all those. So don't lose. Okay, lose s here verb, so sounded, voiced. Don't lose those notes for phonetics. Okay, so keep that up. Make sure that you have more examples on your own and have fun in between. Bye bye.